What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. I know it has been some time. I know. But today video, I am about to give you a cute, short, nice hairstyle. It's just a nice little bun. We can wear it, enjoy it, take it off, put it on, and it's easy to make, and it's very cute. I in love with this look. But anyways, I always catch up my hair, so there is no need for me to catch up my hair in detail showing you guys. So today we're going to use this water wave hair. We're going to use this little bun. That's the main ingredients. I have a water bottle because I need to put the bun on it, and then we're going to use crochet needle. First, I take out one part of the hair and I cut it in two because the ear is already long and you're going to cut off some of the ear anyway, so there is no need for you to do it long because you're going to waste your hair. So cut it in two. I use 2.5 packs, 2 pieces out of it and a half. Not 2 pack, okay? What you want to do, you just want to crochet in the hair inside the bun. The bun is very soft. The crochet needle can go through the bun very easily. So I wanted to show you guys, you can do it like this without the bottle, but for me the bottle metal is very easy, it go faster and it more comfortable. That's why I use the water bottle. So yeah, all you have to do is crochet in. I don't even have to tell you guys nothing much, but I just tell you all you have to do, crochet the hair inside the thing until it look inside the bun until it look to your liking. You can do it full or you can don't do it full. It's all up to what you like. I like it full, so I end up use 2 pieces because it's a 3 section here, so I use 2.5. It was very full and nice and nice. nice. Oh god, it's very thick and nice. So yes, my nice people, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I put another video. Now you want to put, I am showing you on the bun that you're going to put the ear all over, and this is me about to finish it, and this is where I start to put them close and nice. It don't matter, once you crochet it neat, it's okay. There is no technique to it. There is just crochet it in the bun. This ear didn't take long to finish. It took me about half an hour or less. After I finish, I take it off the water bottle and I try to make the bun like push it downwards just to mold it into how I want it, because the bun is very soft and easy to play with. So you just want to mold it like so that the crochet don't show. Okay, this is how the bun look after I take it out of the water bottle, and all I do is pin it down on my head so that it stays sturdy so that I can cut it. Guys, when I was about to cut this ear, I don't like cutting here. I don't think I'm a pro. And I was like, oh my God, I'm going to spoil this hair. I'm going to spoil it. I'm going to spoil it. And I just cut. And I just start to cut. I cut and I look and I cut and I look and I just cut. Yeah. So don't be afraid to cut down the hair to your liking. I cut it 2 times around because the first time was a little bit still too long, so I cut it again. You see me smiling because I'm saying, oh my God, I'm spoiling the hair. You can see the little worries on my face. I was a little bit worried that I'm going to spoil the hair. I wear it to work today and it was like so cute. Everybody liked it and they said, oh, I like your hair. I'm like, okay, thank you. So you just cut it down till you like it. You can leave it like that, or you can cut it down as I'm going to cut it more. Don't afraid to cut. I was very scared to cut, but don't be scared to cut at all. So this is after I finish. Cut it down, and then boom, my scissors fall out of my hand, and then boom. And this is the finishing look, everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. See you in my next video. One love, bye bye.
Patricia.
Are you ready? Look, turn that shit up.
Yeah, she's a star. She's a star. Yeah, she's a star. She's a star. She blessed. No, she's a queen. I'm beautiful. Being fine, hustle all the time.